Welcome to Digital Cloud Automation. If you're someone who is passionate about cloud computing and eager to learn how enterprises manage complex setups across different cloud platforms and interested in taking your cloud skills to the next level, then you are in the right place. This channel is all about exploring how, why, and what of enterprise scale cloud infrastructure. Here I will be teaching you everything from basics of hybrid and multi-cloud architecture to advanced techniques for connecting multiple clouds, building secure networks and extending your on-premises setup to the cloud. So why are we talking about multi-cloud and hybrid cloud setups? In today's enterprise environment, companies are moving towards multi-cloud strategies to reduce the reliance on single provider. This approach gives businesses a greater flexibility, and this helps avoid vendor lock-in and also allows access to the unique strengths of each platform, whether it's AWS, GCP, or Azure. But it's not just about using multi-clouds. Hybrid cloud setups are equally important. By combining an on-premise infrastructure with one or even two cloud providers, companies can gain more control, flexibility, and resiliency in their operations. With multi-cloud strategies, we are looking at options for failover, high availability, and cost optimization by choosing the services that are most affordable and efficient on each platform. For instance, some organizations use AWS for storage and data analytics while leveraging Google Cloud's AI tools and Azure's enterprise applications. With the right setup, these solutions can all work together smoothly. Now, hybrid cloud solutions are about merging your local on premise resources with public cloud. This can be especially beneficial for industries that need tighter control over data or compliance. For example, finance or healthcare industries, where data may need to stay in on prem while workloads process in the cloud. Now that you know why this is important, let's talk about what you can expect from this channel. I'll be creating the videos that guide you step by step through setting up these infrastructures, whether it's linking AWS, GCP, or Azure, or building a secure network across cloud and on premise resources. I'll walk you through each part of the process. Here are few topics we'll dive into soon. Connecting Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, and Azure. The essentials of inter-cloud networking and security. Setting up hybrid cloud and on-prem cloud. Covering scenarios with one or multiple clouds. Disaster recovery across clouds. How to ensure failover and backup strategies that work when you need them most. Access management in multi-cloud setup. How, how do you provide IAM controls across providers for seamless user experience? I would like to hear from you too. Comment with your questions or any challenges you are facing with cloud integrations. This channel is not just a one-way street. It's a community. So as we learn and grow together, I'll be addressing your questions. Explore real-world solutions and bringing in content that matters to you. If that sounds exciting to you, go ahead and subscribe to Digital Cloud Automation. Hit notification bell so you will never miss an update. Let's dive into the world of enterprise cloud automation. Connect those clouds and take your cloud skills to a whole new level. See you in the next video.